All right, guys, back. We got another delivery. Autoforge.net. Let's see what's inside this baby. You guys, Autoforge packs so good. You've got to look way inside because they make like caves in there with this paper. Alright guys, so we got a little haul here of products that I've never tried before, I've been wanting to try. And we got the Wilwoolies. This is their nylon brush. So you can go ahead and scrub the tires there. I got some Nextet Crystal Clar. Anyway, you put this in your windshield fluid washer. It's supposed to be able to do, I forget, some kind of enormous amount. So it's just a very highly concentrated formula. I want to say it can do like up to 30 or 40 tanks fulls. So very interesting product there. That's your windshield washer fluid. Over here we have two Dr. Beasley's products. I want to try them on the leather. It's Fine Leather Cleanser. I've been playing with a lot of leather cleaners and stuff like that. So this would be their cleaner, and then Leather Lock. So they sell a kit too. That has like leather lock, cleaner, and stuff like that. But anyway, I just decided to get the two big bottles right there, and those are Dr. Beasley's. I did get a pack of bonnets. These are for the windshield. What is this thing called? The Glass Master. That's right. So I have this brush here. Let me see if I can find it. So here, it's up here, and I like using this thing. It comes with a few different bonnets already, but like, see, I got some towels that they make out of that stuff too, but I got some extra cleaning bonnets for the windows, and I think it does a great job. It gets deep into that crevice and down into the windows. Does a real good job at that. So I got some extra bonnets for that. I got the Jescar Auto Wash, and I usually don't really get a lot of gallons. I mean, I have tons of gallons. I shouldn't say that, but the price of the smaller bottle versus the gallon, it was a no-brainer. Just get the gallon. I hear great things about the Jescar Auto Wash foaming shampoo there, so I think we can use that as like a not high alkaline or acidic type of product. It's just right in the middle, a good cleanser, and it won't hurt the coatings or the protection. Finally, I got two of these. Basically, I got the refill kit. I'll open that up in a second. And I got a bottle of the Total Auto Wash. So you can get a regular bottle, and I think the refill kit's going to come with a brush. Let me look in here. All right, so yeah, so it's going to come with a bottle, and this is the refill kit. It's going to come with a bottle and the sprayer, and then you get a sponge. So what is it? Well, the P21S Total Auto Wash, this is kind of like a multi-purpose cleaner. You can dilute this, you can use it in the engine, you can use it in your soap to beef up your soap, to be used as soap, I guess, too. So many different things. Exterior, let me see. You can use it for your interior, your undercarriage, your engine. It's just so versatile of a product. And I remember using it a long time ago. I don't have any more of it, so instead of just getting one bottle, I wanted to show you guys what comes in the kit. So the kit, if you get the kit, has the sponge you can scrub things with, wipe things down, and then the sprayer. So you're going to dilute this down. You're going to need another bottle and dilute it. You're not going to use this full strength. This is great stuff right here. P21S. Old school stuff, guys, that works fantastic. Yeah, guys, so this stuff, can be used all the way as like a decontamination on your paint even. You can use it to clean your wheels all the way into cleaning something like your carpet and your floor mats. It's so versatile of a product. All right, guys, so that's my haul from Autoforge.net. Fantastic products. I'm excited to play with this one here. I want to try this one. as a soap, you know, it's not going to harm anything, any of your protection on there. It's nice pH balanced soap, foaming soap. Dr. Beasley's. I love working on the leather, the interior of the cars. I want to try the lock there, and I'm going to fill up some of this inside the fluid, the washer fluid canals inside the car. So we'll try that out. Obviously, you can't have enough brushes. I love these types of brushes. This is a nice stiff, but it's not going to hurt anything type brush. But you know, use it for the wheels, since I use the other brush that I have like that for applying dressing. And can't go wrong with enough bonnets there to go on top of that cleaner thing. So guys, autoforge.net, if you need any cool supplies, go on over there, order them up, and they've got everything, guys. Thanks for watching. You tried any of these products, let me know. We'll try them later on in the week.